Hello, Brian Bolt, Technical Solutions Manager for TopTec Event Tents. Welcome to our Express Series frame installation video. We'll be doing a 20x40 Express frame and top. We'll also be doing a 20x20 Express frame only and a 20x30 Express frame only. This particular series is available in everything from a 10x10 through a 20x40. Layout. Place ground cover and lay out all frame parts. Install. Begin by assembling perimeter poles and brackets. Assemble hip poles and rafters into perimeter brackets. Lightweight 2" by 0.065" tubing makes for easy installation. Connect crown clusters by starting with any pole and working in succession until back around to the starting point on the cluster bracket. Durable powder-coated aluminum brackets, lightweight and strong. Repeat process for the other cluster and finish with the roof rafter bracket in the center of the tent. Remove the rolled up top from the storage bag and place on one 20-foot end of the tent. 16-ounce blackout vinyl top. Pull the tent top over the frame until the top is draped over the roof framework. Strong webbing attachments at corners. Pre-install the top onto the frame by placing corner straps over the eye bolts on the brackets. Raise one long side of the tent and place legs along that side. Attach top tension straps on the first raised side and tighten. Top quickly attaches to the frame at the leg locations. Raise opposite long side of the tent and install those legs. Tension top until sidewall rope is visible at the bottom edge of the perimeter pole. Close the Velcro corners. Establish outguide positions and drive 36-inch stake there. Outguides easily attached to frame for stability. Tails of straps easily hidden in cover. Durable, portable, fast equals max return on investment. Attach corner outguy straps to provided eye bolts on corner brackets and intermediate outguys as shown. Tighten outguy straps and clean up tails in the provided vinyl cover. Striking the tent. Loosen outguys and perimeter tension straps. Remove center legs from 20-foot width of the tent. Raise one long side of the tent and remove those legs. Set that side of the tent frame on the ground. Repeat that process for the opposite long side of the tent. Fold top off the frame and roll it, securing with a provided wrap strap. Place into the storage bag. Disassemble roof frame in reverse order of installation. The 20x20 is the same process as the 20x40 with the exception of a single crown cluster and no ridge poles. The 20x30 is the same process as the 20x40 with the exception of a single ridge pole instead of two. So I hope you found this video useful. For further questions, you can reach us on all of our social media channels or at sales@toptecproducts.com.